Eye bags are very disturbing appearance. The face looks paler and lethargic. Using makeup, the results are also less than perfect. Causes of eye bag are due to aging, lack of sleep, genetics, dehydration, allergies, stress, sodium intake, and hormonal changes. There are many ways to deal with eye bags. Starting from using cold cucumber slices, use tea bags, aloe vera, egg whites, and cotton that has been soaked in milk. But do you know the other way that is very effective to deal with eye bags? Salt water is the answer, as the salt helps to reduce swelling and puffiness. Here's how to prepare and use salt water for eye bags. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of salt with 1 cup of warm water. Soak a clean cloth in the salt water, then wring out the excess water. Lie down and place the cloth over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. The salt in the water helps to draw out excess fluid that can cause puffiness and swelling in the under eye area. Additionally, the warmth of the cloth can help to relax and soothe the skin. The sodium content in salt is believed to be able to absorb excess fluid in the eye bags and tighten the blood vessels so that later the eye bags can be deflated by themselves. You can try this method if none of the other natural methods work. Please note that this remedy may not work for everyone, and it is important to patch test on a small area of skin before applying it to the face, as some people may have skin sensitivities to salt. The results may also be different for each person. Because skin conditions and the severity of eye bags may not be the same for each person. But there's no harm in trying to prove the result. If you experience any discomfort or irritation, stop using it.